How to see which payment method Adidas accepts. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up and you should be able to use those payment methods. So let's just dive right into the video. First of all, we can head over to the Adidas website and we can start by adding any of the item to cart. For example, these Samba shoes. So go ahead and look out for the category, for example, black and white, and your size as well. And then you can click on this option called add to bag to add that specific product to your bag. And we can start by clicking on this option called view bag. Otherwise, you can continue shopping first and then go to your cart. Now, once we are inside our cart, in this checkout section, here we should be finding different options. And on our right hand side, we'll be finding all the available options for our region. This is best because payment options can vary by country. So here we can see one of them is Google Pay. Apart from that, these are the payment options that are accepted, such as Discover, Visa card, Klarna, Google Pay, Payable, and many more. You can just go and view it from this section and you will be seeing the cards or the methods that you can add. This is one of the methods. And these payment methods right here can vary upon location. You may see credit debit cards, a PayPal gift cards, and many more in some regions. And Adidas may not support local wallets sometimes, so you need to use international cards usually to make payments. Some payments options may not show up at all. But usually this is how you should be able to view it, the payment method that's available. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.